Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you noticed, I'm not downstairs on the layout. I'm upstairs because I got a mail drop. Look what came in the mail. So we're going to do an unboxing video. I got the new airbrush compressor. So let's have a look to see what's inside the box. Well, so we have the new airbrush, which is right here. So, and it is a 0.3 millimeter airbrush, dual action, gravity fed. Very, very nice. It looks real good. I'll have to take it out of the box in a few minutes, but we'll continue on. What else is in the box? Let's see. What else is in the box? Oh, of course, reading material. Manual on how to operate that. Well, we'll just throw that away. And it comes with this nice little cord. Air hose, I should say. Perfect. Now I got two of these air hoses. Alright, there we go. There's that. And we'll have to take out the styrofoam. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Doesn't look like it's going to work. Hang on. Son of a bitch. Alright, well, we'll have to do it. Don't come out that. Alright, I'm going to have to put you down on hold for a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So here's the little air compressor I've been waiting on. Nice little unit, though. Nice little carrying handle. Let's take this out of his bag. Take this out of his bag. Alright, so we got ourselves a nice little moisture trap here, which is good. And our air pressure gauge, air pressure adjustment valve, which we got to loosen up. There we go. Loosen that off, and then we can turn that. Yep. And then, of course, the cord. Oh, excuse me for a minute. But it's nice. It's got these little suction cups underneath, so it's supposed to suck down, but anyways, at least it won't vibrate around all over the place. So that goes that way, and this goes that way. There we go. Nice long electrical cord that goes with it. Great, let's have a look at the airbrush. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. It's got a nice little case though, inside, that it's encased in. Everybody likes unboxing videos. There we go. Open sesame, thank you. Well, we've got another pipette. Can never have enough of these. These are is a necessity for putting paint in. Let's have a look at the airbrush itself. Nice dual action airbrush with a quick disconnect. Oh yeah, that's going to be a beauty. And gravity fed. Now I can't take the bowl off because it's got a fixed bowl, but it's got a nice little lid that comes with it, and a little tiny wrench. Take it all apart and try to remember how to put the friggin' thing back together again. But I don't see any spare needles. Let me see if there's a spare needle. Did it come with a spare needle? Probably not. Nope. Oh, but look, it came with more reading material and how to take the brush apart. Well, we better read that one. We don't want to throw that one away. If I had it the right side up, there we go. There's all the mechanisms inside that airbrush. Nice. Jeez, I wonder how loud it is. Well, let's undo the cable. Because everybody's heard my other air compressor, the what I usually use for automotive tools, which is pretty freaking loud. And we'll see how whisper quiet this thing is. And if I want to do some online live streams, I should say, live streams on airbrushing my train cars and weathering and stuff, this might be the ticket. And this is what I've been waiting it for. Stretch the cord out. We'll go over to the socket. Plug it in. It's got an off-on button. Make sure it works. Oh, that's nice and quiet. So there's no air tank. All there is just an air pressor. There's no tank. So this is just the compressor itself. Yeah, that's not as loud as my other one, which is a good thing. So, my other airbrush came with a nice air hose too. The other one that I got, my other dual action, gravity fed, so I have two of these. Alright, I'm going to put you on pause for a minute. I'm going to open this up. Alright, we're back. So I got the hose and airbrush attached. Now my other airbrush has an inline moisture trap as well, so I'll be using that when I use both these airbrushes. So I'll have a second moisture trap, so it doesn't hurt to have a second moisture trap. And the pressure's set at, well, when it comes from out of the box, the pressure is set at 55 pounds per square inch of PSI. But we don't need that much, so let's turn that thing down. By turning this knob, turn the pressure down, depending on which way you're supposed to turn it. Now let's see what happens. So we get it to drop down to 30 PSI. It goes back up to 55. I'm going to have to play around with this and see if we can't get that needle to drop. Or maybe I'm turning it the wrong way. Maybe I will read the instructions. But you can push and lock it in and it won't go anywhere. So you set it where you want to set it and push and lock it. This just pulls up. So you just pull this out and set your pressure. We'll leave it at 50. It's right at 55. So when I engage the airbrush, it drops down to 30 psi, and then shuts back off again. That's quite nice. It's not really all that loud either. But there is quite a bit of air coming out of that brush right now. So push down for air. And then you just pull it back slightly for paint. The more you pull it back, the more paint comes out. This is going to be a great addition to my weathering and, of course, kit bashing and painting. So this is going to be really good. So now I've got all these different airbrushes. Oops, excuse the finger. Yeah, finger. Hello. You see, even my finger was interested. Anyways, so there we go. Alright, I think that's it for the unboxing video of the brand new air compressor and airbrush that I got. Alright, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, everyone, happy model railroading, and we'll talk to you, everybody, later. Bye for now.